Hello, Riverside Middle School students, and I'm going to talk to you for a minute about cyberbullying. So first, what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using any electronic technology. Cyberbullying is any type of harassing, threatening, or demeaning language. There's three main types that can be used in electronics, such as phones, which is the most popular, computer, and tablets. Forms of communication that happen in texting, social media, any sorts of chats, or even email. So what does cyberbullying look like? Exclusion, purposely excluding somebody, spreading rumors about someone, harassment of any kind, sending hateful messages, creating fake profiles, impersonating somebody, posting embarrassing pictures or commenting about embarrassing pictures, or even trolling. So why and how to prevent this? So 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. So it's pretty likely that most of you have encountered this at some point in time. Why? This can cause depression, lack of motivation, attendance in school and grades can drop because of it. And if you're the one that's being the bully, you can get into some serious trouble in the school and or with law enforcement. So what should we do to prevent it? We can report any cyberbullying to parents, guardians, or even teachers. You need to look for signs in cyberbullying in your friends. Check up on them. Make sure they're doing okay. If you see something out of the ordinary, you need to tell somebody. Talk to them. Do not encourage that behavior. You shouldn't be encouraging, laughing at, provoking anybody else to doing it as well. Remain positive. Be positive around others. And as always, treat others as you would like to be treated. The golden rule. So go out there today and be a positive cyclone. Thank you very much.